Hello everyone, welcome to this series of videos on literary terms and literary theory. Today we are going to discuss the term Baroque, and if you want to study the notes of this lecture or MCQ related with this term, then you can click the link given in the description, and we are also going to start our offline and online classes shortly, so stay tuned. Introduction. The term Baroque originally referred to a style of architecture, sculpture, and painting that emerged in Italy during the early 17th century and later spread to the other European countries, including Germany. Over time, the term has been adopted and adapted by literary scholars to describe various forms of literature characterized by elaborate, grandiose, and dramatic effects. This video delves into the origins of the Baroque style in arts and its diverse application in literature, with a focus on its usage in English and European literary works. The Baroque style in the arts. Origins and characteristics. The Baroque style in the arts emerged in Italy in the early 17th century. It employed classical forms of the Renaissance but combined and rearranged them to achieve dramatic and energetic effects. Key features included ornate decoration, dynamic movement, exaggerated emotions, and a sense of grandeur. Major examples: sculptures of Gian Lorenzo Bernini. Bernini's works exemplify the dynamism and theatricality of Baroque sculpture, characterized by highly realistic and emotionally charged forms. One notable example is his sculpture of David in Rome. Architecture of St. Peter's Cathedral. Designed by several architects, including Michelangelo and Carlo Maderno, St. Peter's Cathedral in Rome is a prime example of Baroque architecture with its grand facade, massive dome, and intricate details. Baroque in literature. Diverse applications. The term Baroque in literature can denote any elaborately formal and magniloquent style in verse or prose. In 17th century, especially on the continent, it serves as a period term for post-Renaissance literature, describing works produced during this era. It is significantly associated with elaborate verses and extravagant conceits found in the works of poets like Giambattista Marino in Italy and Luis de Gongora in Spain. Literary Baroque. Metaphysical poems of John Donne. Some of John Donne's poems are considered Baroque due to their complex metaphysical conceits and intellectual playfulness. Richard Crashaw. Richard Crashaw, a poet of 17th century, is often described as a quintessential Baroque writer due to his ornate style, extravagant imagery, and intense religious emotions. And its influence. Influence on literature. The Baroque style in literature left a lasting impact on subsequent literary movements. Elements of Baroque can be seen in the metaphysical poetry of John Donne and the extravagant conceits of the later English poets. Interplay between arts and literature. The Baroque style in the arts and literature often intersected, with literary works influenced by artistic expressions and vice versa. Conclusion. The term Baroque, initially used to describe a style in the arts, found diverse applications in literature encompassing elaborate formal verse, extravagant conceits, and emotionalism. The literary Baroque was marked by ornate language and complex imagery reflecting the dynamic and dramatic characteristics of its artistic counterpart. English poets like John Donne and Richard Crashaw exemplified the Baroque style with their distinctive works. The Baroque era, both in the arts and literature, has left an indelible mark on the subsequent developments in culture and aesthetics. So this was the discussion on the term Baroque. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and see you.